Good morning. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, good morning. I'm Marilo S. Palomar. I'm 34 years old. I live in Dumaguete City. I finished my study last 2020 at Foundation University as Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. I am single, I have no kid, and I have 7 sisters and 1 brother. I live with my family, my mother and father.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I serve a family with a 3-year-old kid. My main duty is to take care of the baby. I do the basic physical care like feeding, like bathing the kid, and also putting the baby to sleep. Also, I teach the baby with familiarization of the colors, numbers, and shapes. And I also manage to do all the household chores like cooking, laundry, cleaning the house, and also um, doing the marketing.
What if baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, my first thing to do is to check if the diaper is wet or maybe the baby is hungry, so I give food for the baby.
How you would you shower a baby?
To shower the baby, first I prepare lukewarm water with soap, and I see to it that the nose, the eyes, and the mouth of the baby is safe and it's not harmed during the bath.
What if the children naughty and not listen to you?
If the children will get naughty, first I'll let if the baby is naughty, I will encourage them to play, and let them read books, and also I will be very patient for them.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong? And who will
I wanted to go to Hong Kong because I have plans in the future. I wanted to help my family, especially my sister, for her school studies.
what will you do if baby or children is sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature of the baby, and also I will tell my boss to bring the child in the hospital.
How about if you have homesick?
If I have a homesick, I will just focus with my um, goals, visions, and also I will do hike, or maybe I will just see like that.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes.
You can sing now.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, thank you.
Are you scared, dogs and cats?
No, because we have dogs and cats in our house.
Any food doesn't eat? Are you allergic to any food?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What food can you cook?
I know how to cook basic Filipino foods like bolalo, like stir fry vegetables, because I love cooking.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, of course.
Can you accept take care elder person and assist all their needs?
Yes.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes.
Can you promise to cut hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, if needed.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes, I have, but only small.
In which part can you show it? Okay, and then
My
okay. So other than that, there's no any tattoo.
no.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hello to my future employee. I hope you are going to choose me. I promise to finish the contract for 2 years, and I will promise to um, serve you and be honest.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you. Thank you.